Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already saved your work. Good. Now open both files side by side so you can copy live content. In Excel, select the exact range or chart you need and press Ctrl+C. This ensures you capture links rather than screenshots. Once copied, switch to PowerPoint and choose the target slide and placeholder. Make sure your Excel workbook remains open while you insert the link. This maintains the live connection and avoids broken references when you first link. With your slide active, choose Paste Special and pick Paste Link so PowerPoint embeds a dynamic reference rather than static pixels. Once placed, resize and align the object. This preserves resolution because the chart is rendered from Excel. Right-click the linked object to access link options and verify the source path. This is why absolute paths matter when moving files. Also decide whether you want automatic updates or manual control. Finish by saving both files and then test the connection. Change a few cells in Excel, go back to PowerPoint and update links to confirm the live data refreshes. If the link fails, first check that Excel remains in the same path and that both files aren't blocked by permissions. If needed, use edit links to change the source or recopy the range and use paste link again. This reestablishes the relationship and fixes missing or move source errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.